side is finished. And this side is up. Now, as you can see, we got siding. The siding guys are going around. The decking guys have already gone around. Got all the decks. Now, electricians gonna go all the way around. Then we're gonna do insulation. Well, electrician and plumbers. Then we're gonna do insulation. After that, drywall. Then mud the drywall. Once we mud the drywall, let's start painting the exterior after the siding gets on. So that's the process. We're doing tile flooring, bathrooms, granite cabinets. Yeah. It'll start raining, so a lot of people ain't showing up yet. They trying to see what this rain do. Feel like a little community. I remember we was out here on dirt, man, just straight dirt. I remember, man, we cut down trees. The first steps, cutting down the trees, demoing the shed. Woo, man.